Healing a leaky gut is something that more and more people are starting to talk about. And thankfully, many are now familiar with the term leaky gut. But while people may have heard of it, most don't really know what it is. Unfortunately, leaky gut is a condition that affects a large portion of the population. Between our stressful lifestyles, exposure to toxins, and diets full of processed foods, many of us are dealing with it. So, what exactly is leaky gut? Let me help you visualize it. Imagine your gut as a laundry bag, but instead of being intact, it has tiny holes poked all over it. Things that should stay inside start to leak out. Similarly, in your colon, small intestine, or digestive lining, instead of having a smooth, intact surface, there are little punctures. This allows nutrients and other particles to leak out, triggering an inflammatory response. That inflammation sets off a chain reaction where your body essentially starts working against itself. This is the last thing we want, as inflammation is linked to a wide range of issues. From autoimmune diseases and serious illnesses like cancer, to mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, and ADHD, even hormone imbalances, many of these can be tied back to leaky gut. You might wonder how you can know if you have a leaky gut. While there are specific tests, there are also some telltale signs. Symptoms include bloating, gas, diarrhea, constipation, feeling uncomfortably full or tired after meals, unexplained rashes, itchy scalp, joint pain, brain fog, hormone imbalances, and more. Leaky gut is often at the root of many conditions. Now let's talk about how to heal a leaky gut. I want to share with you my secret recipe, the Leaky Gut Smoothie. It's packed with powerful ingredients designed to repair and restore your gut health. While you could take each ingredient individually, who has time for that? This smoothie makes it easy to get everything you need in one step. The first ingredient is glutamine, which is crucial for repairing the gut lining. It seals up those tiny holes we talked about and helps your body retain nutrients. To include this, I recommend using a powder that combines glutamine with prebiotics, probiotics, and soothing aloe. These ingredients balance gut bacteria, reduce inflammation, and heal the digestive lining. Next, we add collagen, which also helps seal and repair the gut lining. Collagen has additional benefits for your skin, hair, and joints, but here, its main job is to support your gut health. We also need digestive enzymes and bile to help break down and absorb nutrients properly. For this, I use ginger, which stimulates the production of both enzymes and bile, making it a perfect addition to this smoothie. For fiber, which is essential for feeding your good gut bacteria, I like to use ground flaxseeds. Fiber helps produce beneficial bacteria and improves butyrate production, which is critical for gut repair. Healthy fats are another key ingredient. Add about 1/4 of an avocado for omega-9 fats and medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which aid digestion and balance gut bacteria. To make the smoothie even better, I include a handful of berries and for their antioxidant support. Leaky gut often leads to oxidative stress, so replenishing nutrients is vital. Finally, I recommend using almond or oat milk, about 6 to 8 ounces, to tie it all together. Once you've added everything to the blender, it takes just a minute or two to blend. Pour it into a glass, and you've got a nutrient-packed smoothie designed to heal your gut and reduce inflammation. If you're not into smoothies, you can still incorporate these ingredients into your diet individually. But if you're short on time, this one-step smoothie is a game changer. Give it a try. Cheers to your health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post new videos every week, and I'd love to hear your ideas and recipes for healing leaky gut in the comments below. Thanks for watching.